Alright, hey guys, welcome back to day 57, I believe, of my day trading journey to profitability to prove that it's possible. I didn't take any trades today. Price action was pretty terrible. We just had these legs down all day, pretty much. But I'll go over it real quick. So on the 4 hour here, for Charles on liquidity weight this low and this high here on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour. We swept all this low resistance, liquidity to the upside. And swept this pre-market. Um, so that, I mean, I would have liked to see that. Not, I would have liked to see that wait till New York open, but unfortunately, we didn't get that. We can see all this low resistance, liquidity, all this um, probably caused that move down. Maybe along with news or something else in there as well. Yeah, but that high didn't get hit. Same thing with this low. Pretty similar situation um, on EFs. We did have this high here that formed at 9 when this candle closed. But you can see here we get this pre-market sweep right at 9 o'clock, right away. 9 o'clock we sweep. And then we don't get a retrace till 9:40, which, I mean, after you see that, after you see this, you shouldn't be trading anyway. But let's just look. So 9:40, 9:45, that candle would have closed. Let's just see what price did. I mean, based on price action, you shouldn't have even traded. But at 9:45, that candle would have closed, that 5 minute candle. We formed this imbalance here. If we pushed into there, and then we don't really have anything else. We do have this imbalance, but that's pretty early on. Like always, I always like to wait for a new fair value gap after the retrace. I don't see anything in here. This one, but it gets pushed through. We do get this one actually. This one right here, at about 10:20ish, it gets filled, and then we get it. We do break structure off that, off this low, break structure off this candle. So theoretically, according to my strategy, you could enter here. If you go short here, let's see what we would have got. You could have targeted. Let's take a look here. You can see the problem is you just had this big extended leg down, and you're already about to sweep this low. You don't really want to. You could have your TP at that low, but the problem with that is it's terrible risk reward. In order to get at least a 1-to-1, it would have to be around there. Um, and for anything around there, I mean, there was nothing. I mean, this order block, but just in the middle of the order block here, you maybe target the bottom of that or something, target that imbalance. But that's kind of a stretch, you know. I mean, you could have taken that trade theoretically. Let's see on the 4 hour. Yeah, you could have targeted these lows. I mean, if you really believed in this trade for a nice, beautiful 1 to 5.5, that would be spectacular. But I mean, the chances of this doing that after this big move already, I mean, I'm not really risking that, willing to risk that. Um, Maybe if this keeps happening, maybe I'll look at entering, but super de-risked. just seeing how it goes. I think we had the same similar situation yesterday, but yeah, you can see pretty much immediately, or pretty much all down candles. Well, not really, but just consolidate here, but we don't hit this till like 1:30. So it's not the best. I mean, oh, that's 5-minute candles. Yeah, not the best, but it it could have been a trade. Maybe you took. I I mean, clearly I didn't take that. Already pretty late in the day. Not really 10:21. Just sitting in consolidation for let's see, how long is this? 10:21 to 12. 12, wait, almost 2 hours of consolidation. That's not healthy. You do not want to be doing that. So I would have not traded just because we were so close this low. And that was a draw on liquidity for me. And a possible retrade or a reversal area. So I wouldn't have taken that trade, which I clearly didn't. So yeah. Um yeah, that's the only trade today according to my strategy that would have been possible. But yeah, no trades today for me. Ended up the week positive, so we're good here. I'd like to see that. 260 bucks on the week, not too shabby. Um, made back our losses from this one week where I fell off for some reason. Um, but yeah, we're gonna keep at it. Stick to my strategy, stick to my risk management plan. And if we win, we win. If we lose, we lose. No big deal. I'm gonna try to take the money concept out of it, um, and just focus on the skill of trading. Because if you master that, if you master just the skill and become a master at predicting price movements and where price will go to, um, the money is a side effect of it. I'm going to try to focus on that because when you put money into the equation, it adds emotion, um, and that's how you can mess your risk management up, and your trades here, which we can see with this other week here. So yeah, I'm not going to do this again. 2 green weeks in a row. Um, Probably going to take a loss soon, um, but I'm ready for it. We'll learn from it. But yeah, 8:57. We'll see you next week. Peace out.